Nigerian crossdresser Bobrisky has come out once again to drag Instagram influencer Papaya X.
You know when you make noise, yeah, and you are seeing that, okay, this noise, I'm seeing some traces, say money day, the girl fresh. This girl is not fresh, oh. She's classless. She's dirty. No trace at all. She lies so much. The party. If you snooze, you lose. Ashwebi. How many people wear Ashwebi for that your party? We can count them. Nobody buy Ashwebi for your hand. Because you're stupid. You carry plenty skit maker on top Instagram. Plenty skit maker come party. Me, Bobrisky. I go want do party. Me, Bobrisky. Mommy of Lagos. The prettiest of all those bitches. Bobrisky. Bob at risk. I won't do party. I go pack Instagram skit maker. Hello, my jet. God forbid. Ballers. I go pack all your ballers for Lagos. Ballers, everybody. Ballers. Are you crazy? Are you mad? You go see ballers. You go see Oba. You go see Honorable. You go see Oshiereni. Do you know who you're talking to? Like, they pay.